Okay, today we're going to start out. I'm going to do a little review with you guys on 2-point perspective. We are going to use your grid paper. We're going to follow about halfway. We're going to do your horizon line. Again, I'm doing mine with pen so that you can see it easier. You're going to have more than one vanishing point, as it is going to be a 2-point perspective. Okay? About halfway up, we're going to draw a line. We're going to see both sides of this cube that we're drawing above. Not only are we going to see both sides, but we're going to see the bottom. Okay? From this line, I am going to use a pencil, actually. Pink pen. So you can see these lines receding. From this point at the top, I want to go back to this point over here. Okay. One receding line that way. And one going the other direction. Okay, something like that. Then from the bottom to each of these points. Okay, I want to finish up the sides so that you can see where the object, this floating box, ends. I'm going to make mine about like that. Obviously, you can go back as far as you want if you wanted it to be more rectangular. Okay, from those points, now you can see each side. From these points, I want you to connect from here. I want to go to the point on the left. From this one, this side of the box on the left side, I want you to go to the right. So you're going opposite. This is going to show us the bottom of this cube. All right. You're going to end up with something that looks like this. Obviously, you're going to have to go back and erase your lines. I won't be able to erase my pink lines, but at least you can see what this should look like. Okay, something like that. Then I want you to do another box from the center. We're going to go right through the center, and from doing 1-point perspective, you should remember that something that goes through, you're only going through the horizon line, you're only going to see the two sides. You won't see the top or the bottom. So I'm going to change colors for my receding lines so you can see the difference. All right, a lot going on here with all these lines. Okay, now I need to end my cube wherever I choose. I'm going to make this one a little bit, I don't know, maybe a little bit longer. Oops, I went too far. Okay, I would need to erase that. And I do have my ability to erase. All right. So if I were you in this situation, I would erase these lines, this going through the horizon line. Okay. As well as my orthogonal lines, okay? One more. We're going to do one below the horizon line. I think maybe I'll come over here just a little. And I'm going to use purple this time. Because it's below, we're going to see the two sides and we're going to see the top. Okay, I need to draw my sides for my box. I'm going to make this one a little skinnier so we don't have crazy orthogonals or your receding lines going different directions. All right. From this point, we want to go the opposite direction. From this point, we want to go the opposite direction. So, as I continue to confuse you, one that way and one this way. Okay. Obviously, I wouldn't see this coming through this, right? I would erase so that this cube, you don't see that. And if this were yours, you would be erasing all of these receding lines, okay? You wouldn't see any of my colored lines. You would just see this box, this box. I'll go ahead and outline them so that that makes more sense. Okay, you should end up with something that looks like this. Once you've completed this, you're going to turn your page over and you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of these boxes on this side.